Hi, today we'll make two simple vegetables, a carrot and a brinjal. It is simple to draw, but we will color it differently. You might see a purple color in the brinjal, but when we look closely, we can see dots of blue and red. Yes, I have not used purple, but when we look at the brinjal from a distance, our eyes mixes the dots and we see a mixed color which is purple. Similarly for carrot, we will make red and yellow color dots. We are going to color the same way. So let's start a drawing. We'll start by making a curved line like a letter J. And 2-3 V's at the top to make the crown of the brinjal. And a curved line at the top as well. Now for the carrot, we'll make a straight slanting line, a small U at the bottom, again a straight slanting line and a U to close it. Now this time make a bigger U to close the carrot. You may add some leaves or a curved line like this to make the leaves of the carrot. This completes our drawing. Let's start our coloring part. For coloring, take your red and yellow sketch pen and make dots in the carrot. Don't leave any white caps in between and cover the full carrot with dots. Now for the leaves, you can take blue and yellow and make dots with your sketch pen. You may also use paints for making dots. For the brinjal, take blue and red color to make the dots. If you look at these vegetables from a distance, you will see the color changes. That's all for today. Goodbye.